Today I shall start exercise 1.1 question number 4. Question is, show that the square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. That is, question is, listen carefully, square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. That is, 1 square is 1 which is less than 3, that will be not. 2 square equal to 4. So if 4 is divided by 3, it is in the form, at first you look the example. 2 square, that is 4. 3 square, that is 9 here. And 5 square, that is 25. So if 2 square, that is 4, we divide by 3. So 3 1 ja 3 and remainder is 1. So it is of the form 3m plus 1. And if 3 square, that is 9, if we divide by 3, 3 3s are 9. So it is of the form 3m. And 3 25, that is 5 square. 3 8s are 24, that is remainder is 1. So it is of the form 3m plus 1. So now it is the example for make understand. Now listen, let a be any positive integer. It is divided by 3. So quotient equal to q and remainder equal to r, where r less than 3 and greater than equal to 0. So r equal to either 0 or 1 or 2. Now a equal to 3q plus r, that is a is the dividend, 3 is the divisor, q is the quotient and r is the remainder. And case 1, when r equal to 0. So a equal to 3q plus 0, that is a equal to 3q. Now square it is given, so squaring both sides. So a square equal to 3q's whole square, that is 9q square. And the 9 is split up as 3 into 3. 3 into 3 q square. Now a square equal to 3m, where 3q square I have taken m. Okay. Now when, so it is of the form 3m. Okay. Now case number 2, when r equal to 1, then a equal to 3q plus 1. Now again squaring both sides, a square equal to 3q plus 1's whole square. It is of, as the formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 3q square plus 1 square plus 2 into 3q into 1. So a square equal to 9q square plus 1 plus 6q. Now you arrange in this way, 9q square plus 6q plus 1. And among the 9q square and 6q, you take common 3. So in bracket it will be 3q square plus 2q plus 1. And the factor 3 is one of the factor and other factor is here 3q square plus 2q. And hold the number between the bracket, you take m. So it is 3m plus 1 form, because m equal to, I have taken 3q square plus 2q. Okay. So it is of the form 3m plus 1. Whatever be the quotient, you take it m. And case number 3, when r equal to 2, so a equal to 3q plus 2. Now squaring both sides, a square equal to 3q plus 2's whole square. So 3q square plus 2 square plus 2 into 3q into 2. So a square equal to 9q square plus 4 plus 12q. Now 4 can be split up as 3 plus 1. So 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Among these 3, 9q square plus 12q plus 3, you take common 3. And in bracket it will be 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. And 3 after anything is you assume m. So a square equal to 3m plus 1, where m equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. It is proved, and I tried to make understand by example. Again I am split example I am doing. 2 square that is 4, and if we divide 4 by 3, then remainder is 1. So 3m plus 1, and it is 3m. If 9 is divided by 3, it will be 3 3s are 9, so it will be 3m. And when 5 square is divided by 3, it will be 3 8s are 24, remainder is 1. So it will be of the form 3m plus 1. Now next question number 5. Listen. Show that the cube of any positive integer is either of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay. Again same thing. Let a be any positive integer. It is divided by 3. Quotient is q and remainder equal to r. For r less than 3 but greater than equal to 0. Show r equal to 0, 1, 2. And again a equal to 3q plus r, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now case 1, when r equal to 0. So a equal to 3q and cubing both sides. The previous question was squaring both sides, and now this is of the question cubing both sides. So a cube equal to 3 cube whole cube. So a cube equal to 27 q cube, and 27 is split up as 9 into 3. So a cube equal to 9 into 3q cube. So the integer among the bracket is m. So 9m, because m equal to 3q cube. Okay, so it is of the form 9m. Now when case 2 r equal to 1, then a equal to 3q plus 1, and again cubing both sides. A cube equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. A plus b whole cube equal to formula a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So a cube plus b cube 3 cube whole cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 3q into 1 and 3 cube plus 1. Now you split the bracket. 27q cube plus 1 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 q square plus 3 3s are 9 cube. Now you arrange in this way, you write this 1 at last, and 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q you write at first. Now take common 9, only 9. 3 in bracket it will be 3 cube plus 3q square plus cube plus 1, and 9 multiply this, so whole thing you take it m, because I have taken here m equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. So look here, it is of the form 9m plus 1. Now case 3, when r equal to 2, then a equal to 3q plus 2. Now cubing both sides, a cube equal to 3q plus 2 whole cube. Same formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So after break up the formula, 27q cube plus 8 plus 3 3s are 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54q cube plus 3 3s are 9, 18, 18 2s are 36 cube. Now this 8 you write down at last, and among these 3 you take common 9. So in bracket it will be 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. Now 9 multiply this number, so it is you assume m, 9m plus 8. Since m equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. You look here, it is of the form 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Okay, so cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. It is proved, and I am trying to make understand you by example. 2 cube that is 8. 8 is less than 9, so you don't take this number. 3 cube that is 27. 4 cube is 64 and 5 cube is 125. If you divide 27 by 9, 9 3s are 27. So it is of the form 9m because remainder is 0. And when 4 cube, that is 64, you divide by 9, 9 7 is 63 and 1 is remainder. So it is of the form 9m plus 1. And 5 cube, that is 125, if you divide by 9, then you look here, 9 1 is 9, remainder is 3 and you 5 write down here, 9 3 is 27, 8 is remainder. So it is of the form 9m plus 8. Okay, so it is of the form with example. I have tried to understand you that a cube of any integer, if you divide by 9, then it is of the form or either 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Okay.